Baby girl, I love you more than diamonds or pearl. Lord of mercy, I need it very, very bad. Any lover when me want me, I forget. Any lover when me want me, I forget. Get. Pull up now.
I am here vibing with another one of the legendary figures in Jamaica's entertainment space. One of the most lyrically potent and gritty DJs in the history of the music. His parents named him Philip Thomas, but we know him as
CUTTY RANKS.
the bomber.
Yeah, you know what things said.
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man,
I love it. Great man.
I love it, I
It's a joy, man.
Love it, I also, brother.
Now there is 6 million ways to die. Choose one. Yeah, hear me, people. Watch out now. Wait them on. Who that a come? Wait them on. Who don't think me did done?
Teach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
And that's how you want me, go. Eh? Remember that one, people. No take no liberty, do not take no liberty, no take no liberty, do not take no liberty. CUTTY RANKS partners and celebrity. Hold them like a just root a reality. Russia and America, them should be one. Canada and China, them should be one. Jamaica and Cuba, them should be one. London and Africa, them should be one. How are you tell me where you get the 16 from? How are you tell me where you get 38 from?
Yes, Father CUTTY. Yes, all is well, sir.
Yeah, man, everything up, man.
I say it's a joy to be sitting in the presence. I'm one of the legends in the thing, man. Yeah, sir. The work speaks for itself. The body I worked down the years, unquestionable. One of the legendary figures in the thing.
Yes.
See? Yeah, man. Talk to us, though. Great one. Early life. Place of birth.
Well, I born in this city.
Kingston?
But, yes. But when I born, my mom used to live at Cassava Piece. And then she'd take me to St. Mary from 3 months old.
Oh, yeah? Which part of Mary?
A place in Bernard, near Glengarth.
Yeah, okay,
Not
cool.
far from Richmond.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I understand.
So it's in that circle there. And I grew up to a certain point up there, and then I left and come back in the city.
How old were you when I forward back town side?
When I forward back, probably about 8, 9. And when I was 8, 9 years old, I rude. Bad, me don't really that street.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I understand. Run away from my yard and all them things there, so you don't know.
So when they said Mary side, that was mommy?
No, the whole people. My mother leave me with another lady, which she called my grandmother.
Oh, okay.
She and her husband, but it was my real blood parents.
Was biological grandparents?
Yes, and them grew me. And that lady never get any children.
Oh, okay.
You see?
So she just treat her like her.
So she raised me, and me not see back my mom until me about in my 20s.
Oh, yeah?
For 20 years old. Just a little bit before me reached 20, I think about 18, 19 years old, I find my mom. And me have to eventually search for her to find her through school records.
Okay.
You understand? From the first primary school I go, so I use that and trace her and find her within Manchester.
Oh.
You understand? Back around Mile Gully side, a place named John's Hall. Plus we find other family like in a Mandeville itself, like her sister them, and me have auntie and uncle, cousins, wholly by my mother's side. My father now, him, the last time I see him when me at 10, I don't see him since.
Oh, yeah?
He disappeared. You understand? So
like family structure did.
Yeah, twisted.
Unbalanced, bro.
Twisted.
Twisted.
I can remember the last time I see my father like it was yesterday, and when him give it. I remember it until today. That's why you see kids, you don't ramp with kids.
True.
Because they remember. 1 bun and cheese, a brief, and $1.50.
Bun and cheese, a brief, and $1.50.
Yeah, a brief, a marina, and $1.50.
And that was it?
And that was it. Me no see him since, not until today.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know if him dead or alive. And I don't know if him get other kids either with me, don't know.
No, but...
So, that is that.
That is that.
But we just, no make none of my kids them grow up not knowing me.
That's important.
And that is one of the main reasons why we keep it.
On a level.
You know, even if me and the mother not together, we still are going to keep in contact with the child and whatever I do, me have to do.
The right way.
You understand?
So back in St. Mary's side though, you started school over there so before you come back town side?
Yeah.
Yeah, which school
I used
you
to go
attend?
Bernard all age until running from my yard. I used to rude.
Yeah.
I was one of them rude kid, you know. Not rude in a way where when I never used to thief or not like that, but road. I no toe line. No line nah toe, you know. We used to bat until me have to, me left straight till reaching a Highgate St. Mary.
Okay.
You see me? And they up there so with friends and eventually start go to school up there Highgate all age.
Okay.
You understand? And we just go on back round this until we get fed up of this and get back to the city.
Back to the city?
Where we come from. Get back into the city and a street again.
Street again?
Yeah.
No school when you come town side?
For a while.
For a while.
Until we start go Jamal one at a time. You see me? So, you know, we go through some different kind of thing. We've been there and done it until I working in the street. Used to sell oil and rice downtown.
Okay.
West Kingston. Originally, part of my growing up is Rockford. East. Out in a Warwick Isle. I'm end up there so I'm finished part of my growing up there. So as a matter of fact, and that's when I write the song named The Bomber.
In outer Rockford there?
Yes. You understand? And from there so to Vineyard Town, McGregor Gully, Woodford Park near Alman Town there so. Until we used to DJ all Metro Media sound system. But before we get to the Metro part.
Right, because we're still early out of
yeah. But you used to follow up Kilimanjaro.
I answer before you pick up back.
Yes.
Jara, see him?
Yeah.
I know so you said the old man disappeared when you're 10 and mom they kind of disappear for a while, but the brothers and sisters that you know, how many of them you know?
I only know one sister and one brother when we find my mother.
Okay.
She passed away.
My condolences, man.
Yeah, from a long time back. My brother now, last time, me and him used to link, and the last time I prison him up. And there are a lot of things, you know. You know, there's something there when me eventually deal with him.
Oh, okay. Understand.
You know, I try to help him. But me just, they back out in a Rockford. When me just come up in a music business, he used to there around when me carry him at the same beef market across road. When me used to work, get him a job. Then he must say, I buy him car, and I never buy a car yet. And you know the mindset.
Yeah, we know things set up well.
And through, I refuse, me decide to buy him a bed, get him a room out of Rockford, make sure from him out there so him get taken care of when I'm bad in a ramp with him.
Right.
So him I get protection, him I get everything from the people in my Rockford, but him no want that, him want a car. And it just go on till me and him have to end up fall out till, me don't know. Him go do something really like stupid. And then when him go to prison, him make it look like me make him go to prison. I say if me did help him, he wouldn't end up in prison. Yeah,
never want to help
you go into prison, your business that. He says, all right, that's all. Just part company with him and tell him, say, even if you come from prison, stay off of my block. Let me see you on my block here.
The old lady pass on as well?
Yeah. She passed on and bury up in England.
Okay.
They say me up there, she in there when she passed.
Okay. My condolences with that again.
You understand? You see, but the main person for me was my grandmother. The one
the lady from St. Mary?
Yes, when me consider as my grandmother because that the woman there and her husband put up with a lot with me. Good or bad, they never still feed me.
Good lady.
You understand?
Good lady.
And she not get no kids, and she used to go to a Pentecostal church, and some you end up in the church one of the
CUTTY RANKS used to go to church.
Pentecostal. We used to follow her go, but you don't know where you grew up, and in them time the Christian was much different from now. If you're up on the car and stand up on a Bible, and Christian people are past, them will try to influence you if you come in the church. Now Christian people nowadays don't talk to people. You understand?
Yeah,
when we
right.
drive all wet you up to when rain fall. You see? Them not encourage you, them, but yet still them question what is going on.
You attended Holy Trinity at any point in time?
Yeah, for a brief moment. You know, when we get back in the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where you stop go Trinity?
Eh?
Where you stop go around there?
You have to have money if you go to school, you know, brother. You have to hit the street and get it.
Hit the street
You
again.
know, live with no parents, but from yard to yard. And the Fred yard and more time all a Chevrolet fan. When night come down, we just all a stall. You understand? All downtown, we used to sleep all in a stall. We used to sleep in a market. We used to do all about. Real street.
Real street.
Here. But the street never really deal with me too bad. A lot of people and a lot of friends me gain in the street. And it's the same people them from the street elevate me to the level where me there right now. Because of them see one of the fun, you know.
Which is true.
Right now.
Which is true.
You see me?
Yeah.
Them see one of the fans from Jungle to Spanglers, Matches Lane, Telaville, South. Just call it the whole of downtown, and I used to sell island rice on the field down a garden.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Them time the cloud must up them and run down so
there.
me a liquor boy. You understand? And Miss Lynn used to have a wholesale right out on Spanish Town Road with grass yard there.
No, grass yard.
Where they sell coal and then thing there. It's a coal stove, you know. We used to go to wholesale to go buy rice. Because we used to work for somebody downtown and like sell the rice, then buy the bale. And we build up a customer base where very good. Where we would pack like 6 bale of rice, 60 cents a pack for the rice, them 1 pound pack. So you know like 20 pack whole in the bale. So you know where that come up to, and more time all one restaurant or one store
like
take all the whole bale, the whole 6. You understand? But the man when I used to work for him never used to like pay me all of my money. And always I try short change me. So I say, alright, since I see my short change me, when I pack 6 bale on the hand truck and push that, knowing my customer base grow now, sell off for 6, I just take the profit. And then I go back out and wholesale go buy back that and sell it again. Take the profit. Buy back out with the last 6 bale, sell, we give me just get the money go give. And him just have to pay me out of that too. I'm go like him smart.
A real street smart, you know.
So I'm smart. In them time, I never have a thief. It's all about up here.
Using it
So I
properly.
know if you use my them time there.
Yeah, man.
We used to sell oil for him too. Like buckle oil, where 12 come in at the box. And buy the trauma oil from separate and buckle them
Buckle it out.
And we used to sell them there. And couldn't pull no craft from the oil because I can't move a jump. The jump too big.
Yeah,
So we have to work with that one. But the rice we could have also. Yeah, until me left there, so I started work at the beef market.
Oh, so that's
Yeah, crossroad.
Crossroad.
Staying at the meat shop, but how me come by getting the job in there. Me used to hustle on the market truck, them come in from country and take off, help people them take off some load. Because I'm willing for work. Them always give me food and them thing they want meat. And I have the money for buy the meat, so they always are going to the meat shop and say, yo, I'm making a piece of meat now. That's a road boy.
Yeah,
like when you can see the aggression in that, the one them say, you look like you're hungry and give me a piece of meat. But we go over there regular. But they say, yo, every day you come here and beg out for meat. Oh, I'm telling you, come on, you want a job? I say, what you mean, yeah? And then give me about 8 fridge to clean. When them done, sell out way in there, then give me fridge to clean. And I clean them the fridge them and where you could eat all out the fridge like a plate. And when me done, and I say, hey, I say you can't work, you need to stay here. till I start learn to cut meat and learn to use the machine them and to mince. When you do the mince beef, you send to tasty to make patty. So you know, I supply all them places and until me develop my hustling skill in this too. You understand? But me not have to thief no meat.
Yeah, right.
You see, sometimes when you clean the fridge them now, you have all a big black ice in that. Get one of the big crocus bag them. And just lift up the ice and put the ice voila in the crocus bag. So all the boss I look on the ice and sister and so the ice. But me have a little spot around my back is when I broke that all 3 pork leg in there. Other things in there, just bag them up and have one of the little people with me. Say, store them there for me. With them ice there on it. And then when me done, me just head for downtown and start sell me a meat man.
What's that again?
Right, they make a bag of money off of that. Plus me have to get paid weekend. So a double whammy, you know.
Yeah, they easy to cut it.
No, yeah, I mean, me work on construction, so I see it there.
Can't see me.
No, if you look here, so, them 3 are still not fade yet. You understand?
Some tough card that.
Them still there. Them here come like a normal kind of way you cook. You better know that.
So from early out here in the street, brother,
Yeah.
I survive. At what age or stage would a musical vibration start creeping at the meds door?
You know what's from day one, but I never used to follow it up, but the main time I when I started working at the meat shop.
Crossroad.
So I always sing and a DJ and jail. When I develop my skill on road, I end up at jail a couple of times well. And I used to start smoke cigarette. And you know when you go to jail and in there, sometimes the pressure that make you start even smoke more. So I used to DJ in a jail like Clash in a jail. And the prisoner them threw them in there. And DJ and I go on big stage show in a jail. You can't stay there. And I say, hey, you know, DJ for nothing. I say, no man, you used to DJ for cigarette.
Oh, okay.
Right. Me DJ and win more than like 5 cartons of cigarette in that. So me know all prisoners have come to for cigarette. And win off everything in that.
Yeah.
You understand? So them days was the days. You get a history, you know, brother. Because it's not. This is all half tree. Me end up half tree jail all when I look at youth. Couple times well. Upstairs, yeah, upstairs, downstairs. When you're there upstairs, you're there Beverly Hills. When you're there downstairs, we don't get a garrison, you're there. We're far than the downtown, you're there. That me I tell you. When you're there downstairs, you go like you ever watch Planet of the Apes. You're down there, so you're there.
Why were you going?
Fight.
Yeah.
Down there,
Why were you going to jail so regularly?
To fight, you know.
Fighting.
I saw me get the name, Cutty. Because I have some man, when you work at a meat shop and I have me little hustling and go and sell on the road, they go and go, oh, I'm about it, man, to give man money. Give you money, what? Man, I work for my own. Some man try to get aggressive and just a butcher knife reach him. Whether you come from jungle or wherever you come from, brother.
But so you say the Cutty come from the fact that he was a butcher?
No, just that alone. Me used to fight a lot.
Some guy used to get cut out of them clothes, man.
I tell you what, I know that the market the one time, I trust some man, some meat downtown, a man who have a restaurant. And every time I go for my money, he might tell me, if I come back next week. I go back next week, him still tell me, if I come back. One day, I just decide, say, yeah, me not come back next week, you know. I want my money now. And him have this little, I not go and say, the person where in him place. You understand?
Yeah, man.
One of them boy there, in him place, and the boy come jump in the argument when no concern him, because my money me a defend. So when me there, then I ask him about me if he come out of the man place and I come there and come demand money. That's what I mean demand. I say, oh, you drop in at this. And he might take anything. So I just time pedal when he go take him here for me. And seal back a quarter rum. Just grab off my table and just See, as in turn around him face, a straight nine face that reach. Drop like over there, so I just right front of Central Police Station, the bar there. And so when I lick him out, when I come out through the door and turn down East Street, Central Police don't know me. Gone through some little place and head back uptown and then I live a jungle. But I have to come and work. Yeah, man, come and work the next week. And the kind of man, when I the kind of man, I look with the back, come and my workplace, you know. And that man is not a man where you want to know nobody think you and him a friend.
That's true, man, that's true.
You know that kind of man there? Well, you and him just supposed to be friends.
Yeah, man, you know what,
You understand? And one of them boy there, you know. So a man come in, and and I saw him a movie, man, them, and I saw that boy, you look so, man. And I say, you go and let me hear you was a brethren. And we are friends. Oh, what is a brethren? Go off.
Oh, yeah?
Him get and drop buff. I run, we go country. We up in some bush, me live in a bush about 2 months. Me hide in a bush until me, you know, me have to come out a certain part where some butcher man did live up in a hill there. I want to tell you, say, up there, so me go up on the sound mic. And sound here, Rebel Tone, and tell me move over to
King
Feather
Western,
Tone. Yeah, up in that King Western. Up there, so Egyptian come from. As a matter of fact, Egyptian family in cousin own that sound there, and then me end up on Feather Tone, which is Egyptian father. A female end up on Fame sound system.
So Rebel Tone was the first sound?
Rebel Tone was the first sound that Egyptian cousin them sound system, and then Egyptian father own a sound named Feather Tone. And me end up on Feather Tone sound system, and me just start work up there, so you see, but before the whole thing, me come back at town after me see a couple man ask them if a boy still rare.
Yeah, man.
And them saying still alive, and couple man well tell me, and I say, oh. And me come back a road, and when me come back at town, them hold on for me, and me end up at Crossroad police station and in there for a while. Then me get the butcher man come bail me. You see me, man, when me work my boss, when I work for. And I come back a road. So me eagle know the little fella from down an arcade there. And show me know the eagle them, some of the eagle them good, then talk to him. And he saying we take a food. Then time the man say want 500, then time 500 go like 500,000. Who me can afford $500, but me find about half of that. Or 250. That go like 250,000. That time there. And give them for give and him get the money. And then send another bills, another $100 go give him. Until the cases go on, until it him not come on a court and it just throw out. And me just stay out of trouble after that. And just start deal with the music and follow up the music and do other work on construction side. Do some whole heap of work.
But even before that though, because you say you start, hold on, you say you like the DJ thing, but who were the people that here back then where give advice? So
Daddy Uri was one of the teacher. Daddy Uri was one of the main artists with a certain kind of voice that I like, and then certain part, you know, we used to listen to like Josie Whale, Charlie Chaplin and them artists, and Josie did have a distinctive voice also, close enough like for Daddy Uri. You understand? So them was one of my idols. Me used to like, as singers, me used to like Bob Marley and Burning Spear. You understand? And the guy that went in Joseph Hill, Culture. Yeah. And them man they used to sing some wicked music, and we listen to a lot of people, and then I work at the meat shop till one time one of them have a party up in the hill, and the butcher man they say, all the while in the market I sing. We have to see where you make out, where you're made of, you know. And carry up in the hills there. And go up there and slap up some lyrics up at that and then like it. I live up in the hill, up in the bush there for a while. And when we used to there in our city, we used to go one song named Upsetter. We come from in a Kingston 13 era there. And then we go around and look mic part of sound system and then I want to give me the mic, me a DJ upon Gemini sound system and a lift sound box.
Oh, okay.
And then give me no like then I want to give me no mic when me a lift sound box. Until me say until I go find up in the country then now. Find home up there so. A heavy sound we come from town, from in my city, come up there. We just kill them and send them back at town.
When you were around Gemini, who was there at the time?
Welton area, a brother named Archie and Johnny Ringo and some of them artists there. They did there. And even the same Barrington Levy come through the part, the Linval Thompson, and a whole heap of different artists.
Okay.
You understand? But them time we have baby. And I live sound box and, you know, and me a roll up wire, but at the same time I hunt the mic. You understand? I walk all miles to get the mic from Kilimanjaro sound system. Because them used to have one of the best mic stages in Jamaica. And I take a bus to one place named Lawrence Tavern, then from Lawrence Tavern to Glengarth. And then the rest of the way I have to walk. Turn down in a bush there. So when I turn down in that bush there, I reach out one part on a street light now there. And I hear two old goes, ooh. And I say, ooh. And then time I have big bad boy at town. In our city. But so you know bad boy can't afraid to. I never hear that ooh that too much. I hear ooh again. I see the second ooh. Is when we hear the third. When we left there, so we reach the dance quick. That me I tell you. My shirt you used to dress like Spangler, so you button up your shirt way up your so. Up your so my arrow shirt. Is that weird entire and gun foot pants. And the button up to your say, so when we reach the dance, I be button pull and we pull them. With the speed where we are going. I'll gravel and stone and move.
Yeah.
Run left like them me is a all link call them and pato. Yeah, the wood and me feel kind of funny in my body. And me I say me alone in us and this who what kind of who that. And then the second who I say, hey, I start step up little faster.
Third
so
one.
Yeah, the third one we take off just like one of them Nissan Skyline a twin turbo.
You find the
turbo
dance.
we find the dance. So if you give a history about it, you have drama in it. And this is in a real life.
That's why I think we go on.
And when we go and dance, we have to sit down in the wait. Forget a chat off my mic. One time and I say, come in, Cutty Ranks. When we run go over there, check to me or get back. A fool, the man never said me to go buy that. Take me for fool. I went back
Who was that jar at the time?
Early B.
Cat
Super Cat did that, but him never did that dance at night. Early B, Dirty Area, and some other artists.
Jim Kelly was there at the time?
Think so. You see? But
Puddy was there?
Puddy Roots, yeah, he was on the sound. And I want to tell you, say, when dance almost done, me always I get mic. And me get a chat off my mic. And so comes me get my good, the real practice. Because them give you the whole one drop rhythm them where you have to ride. And after a while, yeah, studio one after a while, me get used to the studio one them and ride them like a bicycle. That me I tell you. Until me I get better and better until go back at Gemini and one night and I lift sound box again and one night some of the big DJ them no come and one dance and me go hold the mic.
Where was that dance?
And a place near a pier and one of them places when you go Stone Hill and go around in our bush there. We around in our bush and when we take up a mic, when we hold the mic, people them take up some fine gravel and say, oh yeah, there sir. You can't DJ and fling some gravel off of me. And I have to put on the mic and left it. So I just go bonus cliff. And in them time they have one thing when you red label wine. I drink 2 bottles of red label. And burn a one cliff and go back up. And charge up a whole back in mic. And so when I start chump lyrics and ram that dance. People them beat out every zinc round of that. And me, you know, I mash up the whole place, you know. And through me a box man, I live sound box. We generally get $20 a week for lift a sound box. So me I say probably next week now when pay time, Gemini, I put another 20 man there, the same 20 him give me. That the man there was a wicked man. I won Gemini disco.
Yeah?
Me nah nothing good to say about that brother, man. You understand? Them man there, I know some nice people.
See,
it's not a nice person.
We eventually left Gemini again.
So me just cut from them.
We end up
and
Lee's.
Start. I know about Lee's Unlimited with Papas and them. I know Lee's, but I never really
never go there.
Go there. And they just go on until Feathertone, and after I left Feathertone, I started DJ Sony and Speedy Roots at Brandon Hill. You understand? And then left from Speedy Roots, I end up at Grand Spin, Panasonic, and Music Merchant.
Before we reach Music Merchant, Speedy Roots, Zane? Speedy Roots, not the remnants of Papa Roots.
Yeah, because Speedy Papa Roots sell out the sound and part of the equipment. The brother from Brandon Hill buy them equipment there. Because Papa Roots used to own, I think at Tony Welsh,
man. Yeah, man,
they line with them so the Antigua them sell it out, and then Speedy Roots come from upper Brandon Hill, Tony Welsh come from originally.
Right.
You understand, but I used to run jungle. So you say they up there at DJ Speedy Roots for a good while, couple of years well. Till one night one sound come play up the name Music Merchant, so sound heavier than Speedy Roots.
Big sound, man.
Bigger sound. And I got get a chat off it and mash up the place, and I say, I say, I want to come from, I say, Grand Spin. I left up my brother, Grand Spin. And they done this up. Until it just go on, the man will really make me get my first break in terms of get on Steromar sound system and Putty Roots.
Putty Roots.
Because Burbank and them now are the top man them time there, and I mash up the place, and some man come forget Burbank and them for DJ. I want clash in a Clarendon, the Steromar and Cosmic, Sony and Cosmic Force.
The Bonnie General
from Tollgate. Brother named Bala, they doing the sound. Alright. When them go for Burbank and the rest of them then say they want $800 for a night, and then time they $800 like 800,000. You understand what I say? Big money. In them time where you get $800 for DJ pan a sound. Them time I never even get $20 for the night pan a sound. I want to tell you, so I on the ends across road there, a place right off of top of Benford Road. Place near Retreat Avenue, and put me see this Chris VW bug with rims out and big liver system and it come down there. And I see Putty Roots come out and some Indian from country. The Indian said them a look for CUTTY RANKS, and I say, who want CUTTY RANKS? And I not tell them who me is.
Yeah, man.
And then I see Putty Roots. And when I see Putty Roots, I say, oh, I'm Putty. And man then find out, I mean, Putty tell me, say, man, they want me DJ upon the sound against DJ upon Steromar against Cosmic Force with another youth with the upon Steromar already named Ricky Tuffy.
Okay.
And the man them ask me how much more want. When the man them ask me how much more, I stutter. I stutter for a little bit as a little youth, because nobody never asks more want. And man just give you a thing.
$20.
And just fool up your hand with it. So it's like me take brave heart and say, you know what, say, big and serious, I say, I move for less than $150, $150. Never knows I knows I 800, the man that tried to afford me that. 800 was big money that can buy Clarks, buy a couple pants and everything, and still have 150.
Oh, so 150 was big money at the time.
Big money. You can buy Clarks, buy a couple pants and shirt, couple suit and clothes, and if you have $50 left, a whole heap of food that can put in the cabin. You understand?
Yeah, man.
The man they say yes. You know, say not even a little bag with that scandal bag with my clothes in. And that we tell them to use everything I had for Clarendon. So when I go down there, I end up on one place named Paisley with them.
No, Paisley, man.
And then me say Papa San now and General Tree I go there and them I go DJ upon Cosmic Force. And I say them they two they together. Nah man, we have to go plan something for them boy. Me have no intention of lose, and me don't know. Me know me can DJ, but me don't know if the next band with the sound can keep
Hold
up.
it.
So,
I said it was Ricky Tuffy.
Ricky Tuffy and a boy named Junior Smart, so like Leroy Smart.
Okay.
Our next youth named Lico Joe or Ricky Tuffy brother. I say, hey, that not go cut it. I say, hey, it's all right. In at the time, the campaigning was going on and politics was very strong in Jamaica. So I got a Paisley there in a Paisley, find one girl along there and they were a Paisley for the in idea. And Mr. Seeker and I said, what kind of year is this? And they say, I'll be a PMP. They were over there. So I say, hey, I got this, so I get my,
Start planning.
I did have about 4 PMP lyrics that we line up. 4 PMP lyrics.
Line up.
I did have and line them up. Because you have to win the clash by any means necessary.
Yeah, right.
So you have a whole army harder lyrics, you know. But in harder, you still have to have something as a secret weapon. You understand? Secret weapon. So I say, all right. When the night I dance, we do some bam and start jump up some lyrics in the first round. And we take the first round. Shell down the whole of the school room. Window beat out. The whole of Skingdon people them there. Baller people them there, but baller then say baller them are labor rights out. Because for them era where them come from, them yes are labor rights them side. But never really are playing no politics, but at the same time, you know can use it as an advantage. So I just say, all right. I do so boom. Take the first round. And then the man them DJ upon Cosmic Force. And then Papa San them just start spit lyrics yet. We know him lyrics them. I know it's a general tree, but so we do some bomb and take the first round and then them do some boom and then the second round and them play. And them go on alright, but them never do what I do at the time. And then you see the third round where we come back, bomb and start to shell down the whole place. Shell it, the little pieces. You see when the fourth round and the man them come in, Papa said and General Tree team up and put on a piece of performance there. And then take the round there. So when the man then take the round, I say, hey, them look come and look like them can't find me. I say, me have to win this by any means necessary. Me know say when me take that the fourth, when I take the fourth round, we go fifth. Days soon light on. You see the next round, we just start pelt them with some lyrics. And pelt them and then when we reach the Miglai round, you see the next half,
politics.
At the time, I bring out one song where I say, from 1972 come to 1981, Michael Manley Bill, the country say, I go mess up him plan, we are going to carry him go a quote and ask him enough questions and start put lyrics. A whole place, a gunshot start fire up in the roof.
Legal.
Be a gun, yeah man, legal. A police a fire shot, lies a gunman a lick shot, politicians a fire shot, everybody have a whole school room a shoot up and window beat out. And you see after that one they done, we just come in back with that, me love me like me PMP, we don't want no JLP. I throw over there PMP and the whole place smash up by his what we done. A ball and run out with the lights gun and back out him gun and I talk about this is the politics and when ball back out him gun. Then if I one gun ball road they must when he look round here about the lights gun upon him. Plus police are back them and there. I say there's some holy bike come say Bala. You need to calm down. Because clash and this are music. Man win by any means necessary. So we are talking about just hold back your mic and one more PMP. There are 3 PMP lyrics, we just draw the last one.
Yeah.
I whole place smash up, man, and we win the clash.
Yeah?
After we win the competition, after we win the clash now, the man them boy the pastor decide say, me can't left Clarendon.
Oh yeah?
Me have to stay down there. I mean, find one girl down there when he and Denny and live at your yard.
Big up Denny, she still live
Big
up?
up, no, I don't know if she's still alive. I don't know.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, but find a brown girl and Denny right over in a Paisley there and live at Denny yard for a good while until me start DJ all about on the countryside. And most of the countryside, I make my name.
Your name.
Clarendon, Mandeville, Mobile, down at Sam Shark Square and them places there. We DJ all kind of different dance, political dance, normal dance party. And we there all over the country until me come back in a town.
Yeah, so Sturmars was the home for a while. How long were you on Sturmars for?
The Sturmars sound system for a very long time. Until when we left Sturmar, because of circumstances, end up at Arrows International.
Yeah, but you know, I'm not glass over that. Cutty. What make you left Sturmars?
Sturmar. DJ for Sturmar till we left and go up at Skeng. I the one who bring me a foreign.
Oh, okay.
First time I would do up a foreign for a while. You understand? Among Skeng than them. Until me and someone one of Skeng youth were in a rocket to use road Skeng, me and him kick off and him go tell trainer one would a lie and them thing. And trainer come like him used to like believe the thing on a one-sided level, and that just never work out between me and him. You see me? Through them and they are general. You see me, but at the same time, I was a youth where hard they did too, you know. So I just decided to I go toe the line there because I never liked the whole treatment at the time. I don't have to go in on the whole part details, but eventually I left from around trainer them and I moved with a youth named Papa Roots, which I trainer them bridging see we and them let me know him. I'm there on him. I want to tell you, I just do a show on Mobile, Sunday go and appear one and him keep the show. I'm going to do it for him. Yeah. I go the out, you know. Because, you know, the show I do on Mobile, appear one. Dennis Brown birthday there, Papa Roots keep it, and the man used to treat me like him kids, like him son when me to America when me left from home.
Trainer
them, you understand? And at the time, before we go on, between me and trainer, and the little brother that we were telling him be a lie. You know, that was kind of be a red line for me. You understand? And I start pray. So I just left until me end up amongst Tony Welch in a Fort Lauderdale. You understand? Until when it look like it get too hot, I cut. I left there so too. Go up north. And up in Orlando for about a year. You see me? But after a while now, when you grow, and grow to a certain level, and then you start look back on things, and I say, hey, me and trainer still I go always be friend. The man that go always be my general because him give me my first break. So you can't just make one mistake, just
mash up the whole thing.
So me and trainer bridging until today, never change. And at the only time I ever have a problem with him, I never have no other problem with him apart from that saga.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah,
and until today we have respect for each other, and the man there, I'm a general. You understand?
Before we move on from Sturmars, you can remember any of the clashes? Because them time the Sturmars are big bad sound of the thing. Big bad line.
Whole heap of players.
Anything will stand out in your mind where you can remember say, yo, we're about someone on another part of the night there.
A whole heap of clash, but we never have nothing stand out. Sturmars was a very dynamic sound where play always party, rap, dance, ram. Danny Dread was one of the best selectors we me know. I want to tell you, even the mixing, when you talk about mix down sound system, Sky Juice learn from them, man. And Sky Juice can be one of the greats, and then another youth who used to play youth man promotion named Toulouse. He always on a rebel tea, the thing we keep, you know, bad mix of that. We give them under them props and the youth from creation to a body.
Candy.
Yeah.
Kind of used to mix on back in the days.
Yeah, you understand. So, you know, we come through some of the great part, you know. DJ sound from Steel and I go up in a tree before me even a DJ
Feather Tone them at two bombs.
Feather Tone was two bombs and amplifier, Steel and And them dance the nice Egyptian group I watch me and DJ and father sound. So Egyptian born in our music. You understand?
Yeah.
So me never surprised when him comes when he becomes.
After Stir Mars, it was
Arrows
International.
Yeah, on the east.
That with Liberty them and who did them on Arrows at the time?
Arrows International, a whole part Shaka Shamba, and whole part other artists used to do there. A boy named Chicken Chest.
Chicken Chest.
And couple other artists. I have other artists whenever I sign to his sound.
But they just pass through from time to time.
Pass through from time to time. And first time I go in England, Arrows International going.
Oh, okay.
And then when we up there work and Arrows them I do the tour. And the brother named Sonny, who own the sound. Him brother Bill. But Sonny, we go to England with and then all of that something. The money we make a second party we keep.
Can't find.
A man grab the whole of the money for the gate man and cut.
Yeah?
Every pound, every penny. So, hey, you can't get to really drive by the man, grab the money and jump a fence. Go on to the whole of the gate money. So you know where that go.
No pay.
No pay. That me I tell you. And
Yeah,
we
man.
still play a couple of the dance and eat a food still. You understand? And I want to tell you some Major Worries did for come at that clash and I beg them for carry Major Worries. Because Major Worries was a bad artist
DJ,
them time
man.
there and them no carry the man and one with England we hear
At that
say.
time them dead.
Them kill there are some police kill the man over a woman. Right, so I start screw up Arrows. And when I come back from England, I just take time to take with myself for Arrows and end up on Metro Me, that's
So
how
I
it
say end up on Metro, you know.
Yeah. End up on Metro Me, that's our own system, man. Them used to play for Wednesday night and we used to go over there. Until one night, he never did assign to his sound yet, and one night, General Tree used to have one song named Iron Balloon. What him do? So anybody like
you can't bust
and
your
the people
iron
them a say if
balloon.
you can't bust your iron balloon. You understand? And then me do out in a Rockfort, Warwick Isle. And the man them a corner one. A Warwick Isle are be bad people. And go look for me and tell me about who.
Yeah, iron balloon.
Big man. And man them bring a thing off of the hill in a them back in the days, man, and when me see. When them bring him and they say cut you have to go build sitting off of this, you know. And hey, you can't build nothing off of this, your iron balloon. I'm ashamed as a little youth. But in the back of my head, I say, so come me write a song named The Bomber.
The Bomber.
And that song bust me. I bust up a balloon with the Bomber.
All right, that's all. Right now, remember that rhythm, yeah? That rhythm and the answer, original rhythm. Yeah, hear me? This is the tune that bust me in Jamaica. That one is the one that bust me. In a 1989, go over in a 1990. I'm going to see if the gangsters remember that one, yeah. Kill out all the enemies. Leave we all a different road, boy. Kill out all the enemies. Leave we all a different and we a bust up the bomber. Have a new gun where them call it the
You see, when we record the song for Penthouse, that a Donovan Jeremy. Jeremy and sit down on the song round there like a souvenir.
That 89?
Yes. 89, oh, you know, you follow the history. Yeah, 1989, man, sit down on the song round there. I say, so I just go next door because I say Patrick Roberts move next door.
Shocking vibes.
He move over where Hanka used to there. Music Works, a studio used to name. So when they move, I go over there and I go hear one bad rhythm of Patrick Roberts. Now I go back and say, kill out all the enemies. Leave me all a different and we a bust up the bomber. So when my voice back a song for Patrick, Patrick never hesitate.
Release same time.
Man, mix that quick and fast a road. So when I tell him that in that time when a man mix and press the first set of 7-inch, which is 45.
45, right?
He must give you half dozen 45 for yourself, by right. And him give me half dozen 45 and the car one a McGregor Gully. and play it, and I hold her in this and be a gun salute. When it play, and then we say, I saw it go on, I saw. And the whole trooper away. Metro! We play every Wednesday night, I have a South Camp Road, they have a Woodford Park. So when they go around there and give them ice when they draw.
Gunshot.
Yeah, amount of gun salute when police them fire around there. Everybody a fire shot. Them time the gun salute was legal. The government never really put a ban on it, especially with police officers. Or even people who have license. So the man did free for bust gunshot up in the air as long as you not shoot nobody. So nobody know that shoot nobody like that. You understand? So when we start get them kind of gun salute there.
You know, say I hate that.
Lord of mercy. Kill out all the enemies. Leave we all a different route, boy. Kill out all the enemies. Leave we all a different and we a bust up the bomber. Have a new gun when them call it the bomber. It blow up warship and they blow up the tanker. Ruled by police, controlled by soldier. From behind a wall it kill a would be a worker. What about the 16 and the Bushmaster? Damn Desert Eagle, Sherman Luger. Listen, Cutty Ranks, you know me born as a warrior. No DJ can break down from the barrier. Listen, Cutty Ranks it from the microphone center. Follow me no massive and crew no pressure chica. DB DJ go down and shiver. DJ blood start run like river. Doctor take them up and put them on stretcher. Yeah, them go a madden and left them in a freezer. Me rougher than Lazarus, better than Caesar. Done them in a mince beef, take them egg pizza. DB DJ back up and leave ya. Book up on the Cutty Ranks, you book up and warrior. Lead. Pull up.
Jeremy, you know, from Penthouse, I said, why you go voice back a song for somebody else? And Barry Salmon was there at the time when he must say it. So Barry Salmon tell us, then the youth no voice a song for you and you sit down pan it like you have it up at Hope Road Museum and start cuss it. So what you need to do instead of you cuss the youth, ask him for another song. And the man say, oh, you have to voice back something, you know. You can match up with that and so come my voice is up on my nozzle. We have some DJ hitch up on the nozzle. And oh.
Hit again.
That gone to and then we just come back with the beer hits after hits.
With that nozzle. Yes. Yeah, go back round so before come back. So. You enter Tasty's talent search at one point in time.
Eh. Tasty's talent show, that was a memory.
How that go?
When we go up on Tasty, get the chance to go up on Tasty's talent show. And me enter the stage. And when me see the crowd in front of me, I hold the mic so, and I saw my foot them go on the mic, I go saw me off here. And me trembling in the stage fright. And nervous, I shake like a leaf. And the only time that me ever hold a mic I shake. Not even Michael Jackson, not even James Brown. Don't do when they were dancing, don't do they move there. And so all me need them and go on a buckle. And the people with the audience and laugh.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, well, yeah, yes. And I say, I said that will never happen to me again.
Never again. Okay. You remember the year when you entered Tasty's?
Why I never remember
you remember who in the year neither?
And I want to tell you who will you enter Tasty before he bust to and I see him Muta Baruka. He go through Desoto.
Oh, so Muta was on the same show that you were on?
No, but I go watch him on other show there.
Okay.
When him enter when him just come up in a dub poet. You see? So, I'm saying, I go through all of them things there. I was nervous. You see, and then after that, I just work on my craft. Because that was before with the bomb and them.
Right.
Yeah, I work on my craft and just know, you see, after that, anything will come in on my way, I just start put lyrics to them.
Yeah, man. So the bomber boss now, but was that your first official recording?
No. My first official record is a song named Gunman Lyrics.
That of it, Winston Riley?
Winston Riley, Techniques. That's a Kirk Riley father.
Ragamuffin Cutty Ranks, I'm a murderer. Ragamuffin Cutty Ranks, I am a slaughterer. Ragamuffin Cutty Ranks, I am a murderer. Ragamuffin Cutty Ranks, I am a slaughterer. You call this gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics. Gunman Gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics. Them keep in a dance, in a the gun shop. When every gun get up and start fire shot. The sound where you play Lord the gun high power. We big machine gun as the gate master. And double mouth shotty as the bartender. Matic just arrive in a Range Rover. Him and the thugs when name zigzag. The boy one pop him is a troublemaker. That's why Mac nearly box him over. AK-47 fly away from Russia. They come link up the Dutch when name Santana. And listen, CUTTY Ranks.
You see, and then
so
we do a song named Fishman lyrics, and we do a song named Oughton.
Yeah, but how you end up on a Riley for Gaffice?
No, because Riley was downtown in a city there.
Oh, okay.
And I down there, so we live down a parade and we there from Matches Lane to Luke Lane. You know, we used to live all at Luke Lane and Ratta Castle. We used to live at Matches Lane, topside 110 in a Matches Lane. You understand? So all of them places, Princess Street, Love Lane, Rose Lane, Chance Lane, all of them places are my old stamping ground where I run up and down.
So gunman
lyrics. Orange Street, right? Up all the way Lego Studio them there.
Okay.
You know, you see me? So I start off with a song named Gunman Lyrics.
And that was your first official studio recording?
Yes, in terms of gun, that was the first gun song to a record in Jamaica.
Oh, yeah?
The only man was second that I think of Josie Whale with Kingston Hat.
Kingston Hat.
Yeah. You understand? And Josie was one of my idol. A man I look up to.
And you
as an artist.
Yeah, you said that you recorded what, 2 more songs?
Yeah, I sang the Fishman lyrics and then I sang the Oughton.
Yeah.
You see? I want to tell you, say.
So Gunman lyrics never bust you?
Gunman lyrics, they dip on the rhythm. The same rhythm where Bury Saman, the rhythm named Things on Time.
Things on Time rhythm, yeah man.
And the same rhythm, Bury Saman come back and say, cool down the violence, can we play some more? The same rhythm, Things on Time rhythm is just a different
cut. Right.
Yeah.
And Gunman lyrics never bust you?
Gunman lyrics take me to a certain level, but it never.
But bring you through the door.
Bring me through the door fully.
That was a bomber.
You see me?
Ragamuffin CUTTY Ranks, I am a murderer. Ragamuffin CUTTY Ranks, I am a slaughterer. Ragamuffin CUTTY Ranks, I am a murderer. Ragamuffin CUTTY Ranks, I am a slaughterer. You call this gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics, phenomenon. Gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics, boom. Gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics, phenomenon. Gunman lyrics, you call this gunman lyrics. Then keep in a dance, in a the gun shop. When every gun get up and start fire shot. The sound where I play Lord the gun high power. We big machine gun as the gate master. And double mouth shotty as the bartender. Matic just arrive in a Range Rover. Him and the thugs when name zigzag. The boy one pop him is a troublemaker. That's why Mac nearly box him over. AK-47 fly away from Russia. We come link up the Dutch when name Santana. And listen, CUTTY Ranks, dash it in a culture. Hear me, don't trust the boy when name sniper rifle. He's a serial killer, him we make no stifle. HK Bama love it take boy title. The boy 2-2 so down on him a high. Watch you one Gatling, it up in a wheelbarrow. 303 rifle, I behave like him paro. Mess with 4-4, you know live this tomorrow. Trouble HK that will fly out tomorrow.
And the bomber now are the one who really open up the gate. You understand? And then press the trigger.
We remember that one day? Eh? I don't know why me remind one of something else. When me use on a Metro Media, when he used to play every Wednesday night, an artist get dead round there. You want me DJ when I tune and kill the artist, eh? Press it, trigger. DB, DJ, go down and shiver. DJ, blood start run like river. Doctor take them up and put them on stretcher. Yeah, them go a mad and left them in a freezer. Me rougher than Lazarus, better than Caesar. Turn them in a mince beef, take them.
Paminazo, then press the trigger, then come better. And all of them songs, then I just be a tune after that. Then we're going to do Love Me I Forget with Bury Saman.
Lord of mercy, I need it very, very bad. Any lover with me want me I forget. Any lover with me want me I forget. Get. Any lover with me want me I forget. Any lover with me want me I forget. I could have Patsy Marcia or the one princess. All of them come one fi kiss off me neck. I run down Cutty Ranking live and direct. When me hold microphone, you know me not take no check. Any lover when me want, I forget. Any lover when me want, I forget, get. Any lover when me want, I forget. Till you any lover when me want, I forget. Because love is a splendid thing. Lord, me say love come like a giant to bring. Lord, me say love is a splendid thing. Lord, me say love come like a giant to bring. Lord, when you love a woman, me say it is not a sin. So Lord, I got me no fi ride the rhythm. So don't pan the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. Hitch up on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. Choke me with the pin, judge a charge of a sin. Bird a minute, me proud of me living. Galang Cutty Ranks, you a shock and you a sting, yes. The girls them have a crown the king. Cause any lover when me want to forget. Any lover when me want to forget, get. Any pull up that.
A whole heap of other tune. Lambada will hear the one that.
We don't rush the tune there, Cutty.
We don't rush them.
Gunman Lyrics was the first tune.
Yes.
Yeah. But Bama was the tune.
What really bust
break
me
your
like,
big.
break. And I out now.
And then there's a Panny Nazzle forward after that.
Panny Nazzle then come better for Patrick Robertson. Panny Nazzle was for Penthouse.
Okay.
As a replacement for Bama. And he also have a cut of the Bama when put on an album.
Right.
So two different cut of Bama.
Pan more reggae, one chapter type of reggae. Yeah, man. Can me there listen earlier for Tuesday.
And then come better, we do it for Patrick. We come better, the DJ test, me put him on the stretcher, and then we do, you know, press the trigger. You know, and then a whole heap of other different lyrics will come after that.
Bama, 1990.
1989.
Yeah, man, I know. But what I said, 1990, there was a little incident with you and Ninja around Woodford Park. Cause like him account of the Bama.
Yeah, well, him come around there when me have a whole heap of different lyrics and make some comment. But he never supposed to make.
Yeah.
So me wait till he make him comment and then me approach.
You walk out.
Yeah. You
so you never know say that on the location?
And then, I don't know if he know or not. Them was the same station in my Shabba. So me decided that I rise up now and come make chat. So me have to sort him out that night there. He never win that clash.
Yeah, the world have to say a Cutty Ranks kill Ninja Man.
And me kill him that night. You understand? And then when him see say him don't have the upper and him tell the people about him if you don't want me kill Cutty Ranks, you have to give me 25,000. And them time the 25,000 I hold per money where people in the dance. We go find 25,000 I give you. So me tell the people, them say, all right, when you hear that people, Ninja Man say, I want 25,000 to kill me. You know, say, I don't want nothing to kill him because I don't value nothing. If he try him back, but he never that turn back, he cut. He leave with that. And then we go a Sting the next week. And then we go a Sting.
Oh, it was a week before Sting.
It's a week before Sting, we kill him. And then we go a Sting the next week. And you know, Sting a theme kind of thing.
A theme place,
And we go up there and shell down a whole of Sting and take Sting that year there. We never have no clash with him like past Sting. You see me? And when me take Sting 90 now, I still respect Ninja Man. You know why? That clash there, Metro Media. And then the Sting after that, Ninja Man give me another kind of boots on top of whatever go on with the Bama.
How so?
Because Ninja Man was the man, him and Shabba where I lock the thing. Them time they have an upper and forget an upper and
push your thing further.
Yeah, it push my thing further. So that's why I go always rate him. There's enough people they even know that. Ninja Man are bridging.
Me know you're Ninja bridging.
In them time there, when Ninja Man them are different kind of artists. When them man they clash,
just music.
Or Mad Cabra or anybody clash with Papa San clash. Lyrics to lyrics and who's to ever win after who's to ever win when we buck up. I say, fool, me go catch up on the rebound and we still go drink a beer together. No man never carry no feelings. For nobody are rated. A man just know say go back to his drive.
Personal, I just
music. See Ninja Man kill artists already. Artists catch him back and kill him elsewhere. Right. And Ninja Man catch him at another place and finish him off.
True that.
You see? I buck up on Ninja Man and Moby up on a Sony All Nuts and put beer lyrics man and just steal the show.
What's your name?
A Sony All Nuts.
All Nuts, okay.
A youth named Fat Eyes used to go and Fat Eyes is a man with check for Ninja Man. Them man there, Ninja Man, them man there, Ninja Man and them man there idol. A film son used to angle Tommy Lee them career.
Okay, cool.
You understand? Cool. Fat Eyes son. You understand? So I travel through many circles. And that night they were all nuts. We just steal the show and get right up in our Western Mirror. And then one night we have another clash. I only had a clash with Ninja Man in Miami, a place near 5th Street. Cross from Luke Skywalker, them club man keep a show. I come like a man then set me up with Ninja Man and say a clash. And Ninja Man I go on like he slick, like we can talk it and he can look on social media and see if you know say he carry that big ground bus there full of people and touch. And come down there, oh. So we go in at that place there. Ninja Man about the whole ground bus, Ninja Man get full of fancy cheer people there. I say, hey, go down reel off the first 3 lyrics and get 3 big fat forward. You see, after that, when DJ Man go up there, if he decides we are going lyrics. I could have DJ out the whole of the joy that even one forward, me not getting that. Everything when Ninja Man say, if he was like, I'll cast, I'll be a touch, I'll be a DJ attach. So when he don't know, I call him one side, I whisper to him and say, it was a thief, glad you cheat him. I want to cut the ranks, what they telling me, say. If me not kill you tonight, I give you all of my money. Hey, that's the one that sample man that blow.
A crafty son.
A crafty son. The one that say, oh, if he loses that class, give me all I pay.
All I pay.
They say, people, me give all of me pay. And if me do it like back away, say, Ninja Man set me up. I bring a whole heap of people with some touch and all kind of things. So, what they slick one. You know, from that, me and him no clash. But I always... My brethren is just so unfortunate. A great artist like that and I don't know.
Unfortunate situation.
The situation, you know. You understand where we go on.
Wait the man. Who some me done? Massive tune in the journey that brother. You record a song there for Patrick Roberts first.
Yep. And the engineer them in the studio laugh after the song. And a man in the ear come back and tell me, say, man, they say, what cut you go with that? And laugh me just scared.
Yeah?
And then me have a show. And Moby have one club named Roof Club.
Roof?
Roof International Club.
What's your roof there, man?
Yeah, up on Dr.
James Avenue, man. Our place them there, man. I know the ends
and then when me do the show down there and mash up a place, we do some dub play and quote the call them. Carry me around our studio, we do some dub. And him carry me, him say he want a tune from me. And him carry me a Grove studio that I've done up on the compound, the highway.
Yeah, man.
And I said to myself, say, hey, that the first thing come to mind, I said, that same tune there. But then violate me with and laugh after. You just go back and just had the 6 million ways to die.
Choose one.
I said, there is 6 million ways to die. Chose one.
Barry O'Hare was the engineer?
Yes. That youth, that brother there is a genius. May him soul rest in peace. You know.
He passed in the COVID time.
And condolence to him family them, you know. And past like COVID time when everybody is scared and not coming out. You understand? So Barry O'Hare, you know, is the one to take the vice. I'm saying, wait them on, who that come? And Barry O'Hare take the bomb rhythm from Murder She Wrote. which it built by Sly.
Sly, right.
Right? Robbie them. And then him splice Wonderful World, Beautiful People with Jimmy Cliff. That beat. And merge the two beats together.
And build the rhythm for we get them on.
And the first rhythm that we know we merge. One beat merge into another and a Barry O'Reilly do it. And Barry O'Reilly merge the two beats and then put the weight, the who semi done on it, which is the weight the man who that
right.
But a who semi
what's
done
it right? That's
the
right name. Who semi
right
done.
title. Right? And when the song mix and it release,
instant.
Instant hit.
Word
Straight
song,
number one. All Shocking Vibes supposed to feel it to them bone.
So Patrick never asked about it?
I know Patrick was the problem at the time,
engineer.
And them look a mentality where them did have at the time. And I remember who was the engineer.
At the time that they had to report
one
at
of
the end.
them only laugh after the man shown.
Read him. Now there is 6 million ways to die. Choose one. I would want to test the rocket launcher. I'm the original butcher. I'm a chopper. Lord of mercy. Wait them on. Who that a come? Wait them on. Who no think me did done? Wait them on. Who that a come? Wait them on. Who no think me did done? Me come it turn up. DJ Bongo sit down. Me come it turn up. Tell them fi back up and run. Me a stand up. DJ Bongo sit down. Me come stand up. Me no come fi make fun now. Put your banter come off of the right. Me have to stick at dynamite. Admiral come off of the left before me use the bomber and box it till you're deaf. Yes, a grindsman. He mustn't treat me electric chair. Me a go shock him to death. Well.
And the same tune come hit them back in the face. It's the same thing, me do a song, the Star Trail record. One song, remember that song I name From Your Heart?
From Your Heart.
The song say, hear the rich man no call the poor man no give him the cutlass, he go chop the woodland name. Come here now, come wash off me car, so don't gonna pose like you're a superstar. And my car, the 45, the 7-inch got 5th Street in Miami, and give Waggy T if you play. In a club where we used to play at 5th Street. And Waggy T have me in a club stand up. Cutty Ranks of Ice, how much dub for him. Have me in the stand up. Like him think him better than people. And him can watch that one because I know you're not straight in a Waggy T. You understand? Until today, I know you're not straight because you carry feelings for the clash. Because me give him the 45 for play. And him not play it. And then bam, me I go up on tour and end up in England. And then my Vice finish up the Stopper album. I mean, I Vice Limb by Limb and them tune there. My Vice an album for John Dub Vendor from Fashion Records. And they under liquor they drink Jack Daniels and the orange flavor Lucasade and chase it. And beat the liquor, you know, and then one night me take for Vice the whole album.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, one night. Bam, album, out of the way. Vice about 9 track and plus a stopper in there if you make 10. Because you used to have 10 track album.
Right, 10 track.
So, David Radigan now show up in at the studio. That time I mean I'm a prime and I asked me about Vice dub plate. So I look at him and say, David Radigan, I'll tell you something. Right now, I record an album. I don't have no time for that dub plate, brother. I say he might pay me and he might give me a substantial amount of money. I say it's not about the money. I say I'm just not interested for Vice. Not dub. But when me a record 45, I don't have no time for that. You know, dub plate. And anyway, David Radigan was a very humble person. And through him they are humble and I never see him do nothing like him vex or nothing like that. So I always have that style about me. And like something come to my mind and I turn around so I look upon David Radigan. I said, David, why you clash? We saw when you play you clash against. And he go say Waggy T. I say, oh! I say, we do them for free. He said, no man, we would pay you man. I say, I will do them all for free. if you want them. So him can see me have something personal against Waggy T. It's the same tune, same 45 where Waggy T never play. But just combine it with another song. Put a different trips to it and say, hey, the boy half a go. And then I do the song for David Radigan and I tell David Radigan the night, say, I know say you work with BBC, you know, so you're well connected to that BBC. You see the man who read BBC World News, the real news personnel. Can you get an intro from him? He said, what do you mean if I can't get that? I said, all right.
Yeah.
And I do so. Here are the gun call the sound man give him the cutlass, he go chop the woodle and him. Come here now, Waggy T, wash off my car. So look at that pose like that. And the man go get the intro. The man go get the intro,
BBC
and
news intro.
And hold on now. I combine the two songs now, limb by limb. And that is song they together. Virgin, at 10 for the one song get. First of all, the intro, alone man get the man from BBC World. Them time the Prime Minister will win in England here, John Major.
John Major.
Just win the election and the man said, Prime Minister, Mr. John Major, just get off the phone with newly elected President Mr. Bill Clinton about the escalation tension in Miami, Florida tonight.
Yeah.
The Miami Police Department, the fire brigade, the fire service, and blah, blah, blah. And the problem is about this infamous rude boy. They call him Roddy, your dub-wise smuddy. Hey, my dog was sitting on that.
You have a copy of that song there?
You can look up for that clash and probably find it.
Search,
I think he keep one place named My Temple,
okay.
Miami. And brother, first thing in the clock, in the intro, at the clock when named Big Ben.
Big Ben.
Goes up, bang, you know, Waggy T is around there. And brother, it's when the man read out the news, like real news reader. It's when the man say, first thing is that, duck-a-dill-dill-dill, Waggy T get killed, duck-a-dill-dill-dill, better should have side him will, duck-a-dill-dill-dill, Waggy T get killed, duck-a-dill. Hear the ruddy gun, call the sound man, give him the cutlass, he go chop the woodle and him. Come on now, Waggy T, what's up, me car? So you're gonna pose like you're a superstar. Come here now. Come sweep up the yard, brush me dog teeth before me and you war. Come here now. The whole place leaf up.
Dead.
Dead around the man. Dead. And the funny thing about it, him get one intro with somebody sound like Bill Clinton and draw it by Radigan. But Radigan time pedal him up, then go draw that Bill Clinton there. He get the BBC World man there. And then the two they come behind it better than the one where him have with that screaming show.
No,
kill him off. The man right off Waggy T in such a way where when the clash done, the last song we play at that clash, I can tell you, who? Freddie McGregor. I bet you not tell me true.
When push come to shove?
No.
No.
I know radical and the weed. Please match up round it. Again. But that one day. And that close it out.
Who said me done? Wait a while. Would you want to come off for the right? Me have two stickers down the mic.
Yeah.
Admiral come off for the left for me use the bomber and box it till the death.
Admiral, come off for the left before me use the bomber and box it till you're deaf.
Yeah, Admiral good?
Admiral alright, man.
Because we know your Admiral did have a look at thing, one of them look at time.
But we kind of grew out that kind of stuff. You understand? But at the end of the day, Buju Banton was significant. Admiral was significant.
Big DJ.
First of all, I don't call no DJ name in none of my journalists me consider you significant. Because first of all, if a DJ or any artist not up to the level and then call my name in a them tune, I don't look on them.
You know worth it.
Because you're not relevant and you're not significant. So why me should answer you? You see? If you go after Killer or certain other artists, right now, if you're not significant in answer.
Nah.
Even although some of them get TM these days where when certain artists were significant, move to them run go hide. And when some artists where them know them can walk over, them run in and defend it. So we know them like a crafty idea they took, but Killer them and them people, we give him props. Me and him not say eye to eye on everything, but we still give him props. Because him put in work and him do what him do in our business and him do for him part. So him significant to the business. You see me?
Him that for true.
So I put it under that context there. But me not a yes man. I mean, me not go agree to everything when a man say. I'm not two line. Here. Me not two no boy line. And no general for me. That's why I have generals. And one general around boy, man. A whole pa general boy here.
Yeah, well.
You know, so Killer have him status and you have other artists out there where we have respect for too. You see?
Fair enough.
Me not go respect everything where Killer do, but at the same time,
they respect him as a DJ.
You see, as an artist,
I agree with that. I agree with that.
You see, but sometimes some people they need to ease up here.
After wait the man. Like me just prefer that name the over Oose we done. So
yeah, but some people call it that, but you know it's Oose me done. The right correct
after Oose me done, I think the follow-up tune was Limb by Limb.
Yes. Yeah,
Monster song again, brother.
Yeah, man.
So them want to take it personal. Them think me come for done. All me have to do is send for the new gun, anything test dead. We fly off doesn't then. Lord of mercy. Original rude boy style. Original bad boy style. Lord of mercy. I remember that one, yeah? Just go up on TikTok and watch one, boy. Duck a dill, another boy get killed. Duck a dill. Sign on the will, duck a dill, another boy get killed. Duck a dill. Sign on the will, they want tie. Become a them funeral and I know say, them know say. I'm on a general, they want tie. Cha, become a them funeral and I know say, them know say. I'm on this the general, Mr. Limb by limb, we a go cut them down, send to the youngster. Take out them tongue, give me limb by limb, we a go cut them down, send to the youngster. Take out them tongue, when they see me, see the hit man a come. See me, say me just can't do.
And that song becomes what it becomes after its own. One of the most sampled songs. Me are one of the most sampled artists where them sample my thing them and use.
We soon get to that.
All kind of people. Some of them are thief too.
We soon get to that part too. After that, you did Stopper?
No, Stopper do before them.
Stopper do before them song there?
Yeah.
Stopper was the song that gave you now international success.
Yes. It sell gold. You know, it sell over 500,000 copies at the time.
Video there on all
but from them time up till now, that's a song that's supposed to sell more than double platinum.
Double platinum.
Yeah, hear me? You don't remember that one, yeah? I want to know if you don't remember that one, yeah? Watch out now. Original bad boy come. Original rude boy come. Original bad boy come. Original rude boy come. Dibby DJ, them know me a debt, Enough of them a worry, some of them a fret, me have to stopper. Every DJ better talk to me proper. Come on dance all, better kill them with them pulse. Listen.
The scratching in Stopper, that was your idea?
No.
That wasn't your idea?
That was the guy in there, you have earlier. Damn, I don't remember the name of the person who mix the song. You have Herbie, where him have Sly, Herbie and Sly them did play.
The rhythm?
The rhythm, the build the rhythm there. And then you have a brother named, again, damn man.
Who you do the song
kind
for?
of sleep, man. Dub Vendor, which is Fashion Records.
Fashion?
Yeah man.
You were officially signed to Fashion?
not really signed to fashion, but I was doing a lot of songs for fashion because John Dub Vendor are good people.
As a matter of fact.
You see?
Yeah.
John, that album, Give Me a Roof. You see?
You said that album gave you a roof over your head?
Yes, that is make Bible first place over there. Give Me a Roof over.
Nice one.
You understand?
Well, and I one night to see a voice album with that.
Yes, and he's a white man do that with him wife, black. Me not call him say he's a white man with he's a black man with a white body, you know.
Yeah.
And him wife is a Jamaican black
cool.
woman. And him son black too. You see me?
So one album.
Rate them man. Yeah, we do the
one album for them?
We do one album for him and then we do a couple singles like Limb by Limb wasn't on that album.
Oh, Limb by Limb wasn't on it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Limb by Limb a totally different track and some other stuff for me. You understand? But them man there.
Take care
and I and pay him Mariah.
Do the thing the right way.
Even if him not give me all of what I'm supposed to give me enough way.
You can't suffer, you
could
can't take care of
survive.
yourself.
You know, a Penthouse are the one now. Donovan Jermaine with Lethal Weapon album and them things. Jermaine owe me hundreds of millions of dollars.
Hundreds of millions
yes,
of dollars?
Why him not pay me? Thief that.
As I said, Jermaine, there was a little thing not so long ago where Jermaine, like, I can never watch the interview, but me hear it as I go along, say, you never accept Buju and you never welcome Buju and all of them something. True or not?
First of all, let me show you something. Me and Jermaine never hold a conversation about Buju, not even once in my life. Or no other artists. We're in the Penthouse camp. Me and him never hold a conversation. So how him arrive at that conclusion. And Jermaine never hold no conversation about no artist in a no shape or form. No artist were in a Penthouse camp. None. Not even once. We never hold any argument about no artist. And then him arrive at that whole conclusion. He must say good things in the early part of the interview when him do, and then all of a sudden him try to put me on Buju for the head and college.
Oh, okay.
I don't bow and bend to no one. Not even Buju. I don't bend. But at the same time, Buju is a man who have a certain level of respect for me, and I have a certain level of respect for Buju. And that man try to drive a wedge right in the middle right there. So. Buju know. I mean, know say Buju know because Buju no fool. Buju know say I'm a liar. Me not have to go around no man. Or go on nobody place. Or join with no one to get incentive. It's a wrong thing that Jermaine do. You know say all along me never really pay attention to him. Although him rip me off and him don't pay royalty. And him make tons of money off of my music. And the only thing me ever get from Jermaine is 25,000 Jamaican dollars. Someone will tell you that. Nothing else me not get from him. But yet still, you go around and try slander man's name. You know, no manners. You understand? Me despise him for that something, man. Me and that the brother, they can't in the same room. We can't share the same space. I'll go look for Buju after that, you know, and go back over and go there for embrace Buju after I go there how much time when Buju just come back, you know. Right? Go to Buju place every time I go there, them say no there. Couple time well until me just kind of ease off. Till one day, me did in a year and decide, say, you know, so me I'll give Buju a check. And turn up there, because like I wrong day, me turn up in that. And then all the one Buju originally, like, Buju never tell me say that piece of Joma Roach there in place. You understand? But anyway, Buju tell him to let me in and go in there and do some boom and embrace Buju. And I know Buju, I like a brother. You see me? And then me yell up everybody else. Me never even see Jermaine. The man sucker in the corner like one of them dirty roach. You understand? I talk about how me not yell him. When I look around and see them, I say, me for yell him. Me and you no friend. When I supposed to hear, I say, yeah, my Buju, you better me left your place right now. You know. I left around a Buju place same time. I tell Buju, say, look, to me and your bridge and I don't want to start nothing at your place. You better me leave. You understand what I say? I mean leave. You know, say from that, I don't go around a Buju place. I don't know say I have nothing against Buju or I won't go to Buju place. But as long as that the brother there on the compound, I not go in there. So I just keep my distance. But one thing anyway, me and Buju buck up, we good.
Brother settings.
Buju and me G. You understand? But at the same time, I am nothing with Donovan Jermaine, man. Donovan Jermaine a thief, man.
At 25 grand, they still kind of shape me still. Me
You know, hear me I tell you, 25,000 Jamaican dollars I ever get from that man for royalty.
After all
And I can tell the world that. And them can go ask him, so he come call up my name and talk about me never like Buju and me never like this here, man. Me and you ever hold a conversation about Buju or any other else artist. Not even we anyone, and no artist me and him never hold. No argument about. And one no more incident ever go on, two incident ever go on a penthouse with me and anyone. One of them I think with me and Tony Kelly, I think.
Oh, okay.
You see? And also an incident with me and Steely.
Oh, okay.
Remember Steely and
yeah,
Cleveland?
Man, great Steely, man.
Yeah, man, great Steely. All him that go like him want to rob me and me have to lend him a shovel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Is that great man still?
A great man. I don't know what I great man.
Yeah, but I wanted the great.
I not try to take that from him. Right now, Cleavy and my dopes.
Okay, cool now, man.
Likewise, Steely.
Steely,
it's just
too.
that time,
Yeah,
one like him want to swindle me out of my money. I have to defend it. Me and him have to kick off because I'm not no manners.
Yeah, we hear
Cleavy is a man with more level-headed than him are the one with the level-headed, you know. The man more easier to talk to and explain certain things. Like, Steely now love hype and come and so I have to eventually have to knock him. You see, I make him know that this is not a cakewalk or talking. You understand? So I want to say I suck up me get some money off I sang here, Retreat.
Oh yeah,
Ugly Girl Retreat.
I'll
know me not get another $1 from him and Lloyd Stanberry, who was in Liar.
Lord of mercy. Original bad boy style. Original. Remember that one, girl? Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Retreat. Ugly girl surrender, retreat. Pretty girl come and take over. Yes, retreat. Lord of mercy. Original. Voltage. Big up yourself, you know. Original bad boy style. Original rude boy style. Original bad boy style. Original rude boy style. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them to Lucy. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Retreat. Ugly girl surrender, retreat. Pretty girl come to take over. Yes, retreat. Ugly girl surrender, retreat. Pretty girl them run this area. Pretty girl are done them a #1. In Jamaica, them a champion. Girl, jump around, cause you full of fashion now. Ball it out, you know, fever yellow yam, girl. Jump around, you know, rent a yam, girl. Ball it out, you know, Sylvins. No one no double ugly, no face save a donkey, or no gully monkey, or no chimpanzee. All ugly girl up it and back and make the Jamaican girl, them a celebrity. Well, pull up!
Can't say a whole heap of things, but there are certain
things. Yeah, we leave certain things, yeah, man. So, as I said, Retreat, that one of the next big song in that thing. Yeah, so I have a Soundboy Retreat as well.
Soundboy Retreat was for Soji, may God rest him soul.
Oh, Soji?
Yeah, man, we just passed with there, because Soji a great engineer. Great, when I say great man.
Yeah, man, the man said that to choose
still. As a matter of fact, I mixed the first tune I ever record, Gunman Lyrics.
Oh, him did done a Techniques?
Yes, he also mix a Channel 1.
Oh, Channel 1. Channel 1 he record the song?
Yes.
Oh.
You understand? So, them man there, great musician, you know. But where they when him dead, so a lot of little things go on. Where them not advertise the thing the right way. And nobody don't know when I set up.
Right.
When the thing, and me even call Bulby, the engineer Bulby. Bulby and my dupes. Me ask Bulby a couple of times, and Bulby say me that try check and let me know what I go on. And see if I can go around a Kasha Park and I know around where I used to live, but I don't know when them keep it. And true, me so busy from where they, my mistake when me should have just drive go around a Kasha Park around a yard.
You probably shouldn't do that for
ask them. And that me should have do. We just never did go around there and they just come to mind and then slip me. So, you know, just one of them things and then yesterday them put him down already, you know.
Yeah.
So, But a great man.
A great man for
Still
sure,
give
man.
him respect
Great
and
man, great
condolence to him family and all of these things. With respect.
Yeah, I'll talk about some more songs then before we push the thing.
Yeah.
Road Boy Number, big bad song.
Penthouse tune. That.
Penthouse tune. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
They on the album named Lethal Weapon.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You remember that one, yeah? That's the one you said, I read my name, High Fashion. And me have show you something. Them tune, yeah? I want to hit them too. I know it sound funny, but some Babylon don't like it, Me said I know it sound funny, but some Babylon can't take it, 38, 45, that a road boy number. Let me tell you this 38, 45, that a road boy number. Hear me now, 357, the 44, that a bad boy number. Let me tell you 357, the 44, that a bad boy number. Hear me now. What about the 69 and then we started to fire shot.
We talk about Palm Nazareth and press the trigger. Gristle. That's up on the Punani.
Gristle was Steely.
Yeah, man.
And
Punani is figure as much.
Yeah.
And dominate
Penthouse.
Penthouse. I don't fit around a Penthouse side, brother.
Number one.
7 number 1. I just said 7 number 1. I think overall a 17 number 1. And
Yes.
Penthouse get 7.
Yeah. And them and them. We just laugh. 2 albums. I have all the songs when put out there, 1 lick.
1 lick.
I say 1 lick off of the ball, make the rubber man climb over your wall. It's a thing about the crackhead.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And me produce a tune and carry go give Jermaine to distribute. I never get $1 from him. When they take us at my seat for them label. A thief. So if I go out like in tech man for you there, enough in your teeth. And when you don't here make chat.
Apart from million hit singles, well, we say 17 number 1s, yeah? You have collaborations with some of the legendary figures in the space too.
Yeah,
Barry Salmon for one.
Yeah, man, I have a couple number 1 with Barry
Couple,
Salmon.
yeah.
And, you know,
Love Me, I Forget.
Yeah.
That's a 1.
Yeah.
And what?
Yeah, one
Real Love, I saw that one name.
Yeah, you have Real Love, but you
Real
have
Love.
the song you could have deal.
Could have deal, right.
Yeah, that's one of them.
Yeah, and Coach have a chemistry, man.
Eh?
Yeah, and Coach have a nice chemistry.
Yeah. You know, the Barry Salmon are the chairman of the board.
Chairman of the board.
The man they are the general when they come from music.
Agree.
The man, I mean, even know if probably them are the bigger general. So that's why I say the chairman.
The chairman.
Of the board.
You and
The man they are the boss.
you also have a number of songs with the queen of reggae.
Yeah,
Sister
man,
Marcia.
Marcia Griffiths.
Half Idiot. Warrior.
Yeah, I know one.
Loving You.
Yeah,
Really
give me
Together.
a love, yeah,
Give me-
Really Together. Yeah. Them
Mad
songs,
something, man.
A couple with she too.
Brother,
You know,
watch your flex
she have a
yourself.
female dupes, you know.
Share female dopes. Cause watch your vibes. Enough people then dream to get 1 collab with Sister Marcia.
Yeah.
Man, a 4. Or maybe more. A 4,
Can't
me
get
know.
more because
Me know
I
you
was
can't get
talking to
more.
her recently.
But something.
And it's still in mind. But we don't get to it yet. But it will get to. She the queen, you know.
Share that.
Yeah.
Cockatoo, Waiting in Vain.
Yes.
Big Throne.
Yeah. And more than one song.
More than one you have with T?
Yeah.
Yeah, well. What the title of the other
I'm
one?
not a king.
I'm Not a King.
Bobby Digital, them did produce.
Oh, me have to go search for that. Me
Yes,
can't
yeah.
tell us if me ever listen that, hear that. Yeah. Zane?
Yeah.
Yeah, and D Broad.
Yeah.
Decide your mind.
Decide your mind and you have Love Boat.
More than one with D Broad too?
Yeah, about 3.
Eh.
You have Love Boat, you have Decide Your Mind, and I think you have a next one. I don't remember the name of it, but Decide Your Mind was on Penthouse.
Penthouse.
Yes.
Dancehall Rock, Barrington Levy.
Yeah, and Look in My Love.
Look in My Love.
Yeah.
Lambada, We Any Wonder.
Yeah.
Fee 5-4 Form Tiger.
Yeah.
A be legendary people them there in a cutty.
Yeah, man. And Love Is Not Simple with Ken Boone.
With Ken Board. I remember that one they still, but I know it.
Yeah,
Who else you
man.
have collaboration with?
Only
What it more artists?
Only
I know you have Mitch have a tune. I can't tell you the title of it off of my head.
All overseas too. with other people overseas.
Yeah, man like 2 Chainz and them, man.
Yeah. Do something with 2 Chainz, eh? We do something with KRS One.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
What that?
The youth from Canada,
No.
the producer.
What is the song name?
You know what I'm saying?
You don't remember? You don't remember?
I'm dead right now. You see? You know, so I want to songs out there with other people. You know? Even Nicky Jam just do over one of my songs.
Oh,
Limb by limb.
Limb by limb.
Yeah.
Okay. And I bring up that for ask you this. Zane, and I know as a DJ in the space, you have done it. You understand? Really and truly, you have done it. Yeah. Zane, but is there anybody we work with collaboratively where you don't mind going to the studio go do something with one of them time?
Yeah. I think Michael Rose and them man, they are bad artists. You have many other artists, you know. I have young head to wear a proper artist. Plus me have a combination with artists from out of Africa right now when I release it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That I come up on the album when I forward? Not on this one.
On this album, but we have a song with an artist from out of Ghana.
Afrobeat.
Afrobeats. And we also have Afrobeat with just me alone on it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But you know whole I market them
Yeah.
Cutty man,
Afrobeat.
Latin,
Song named Diamond.
Afrobeat,
Yeah.
everywhere.
With EDM.
EDM.
Reggaeton. Any.
You're not boxing yourself.
Reggaeton is really 90s dance.
90s.
That's where it come from. Under my eyes, a 90s dance. Whether it is a new generation of version
Still
of
90s.
or a old version, is still 90s dance. It's still our thing. But at the end of the day, them do what them do. Because them take it into the Spanish market because of the love of it. And honestly, me not go against them. The only way I go against them is when they don't want to pay homage. Or let it be known, like how the Panamanian them know and them let it be known, or Costa Rica and them, or Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico and them, some of them are stiff up too much. You
accept the fact.
They accept the fact, you know. Know where weed come from.
Yeah.
Don't stiff up. And this don't mean that me not have a lot of respect for the Puerto Rican. You understand? There are some great musicians and great artists come from out of Puerto Rico. You see? So me give them that, but no violate the thing, though. No
pay the
violation,
respect.
no go on. Pay the respect.
One of the things where hardcore dancehall DJs, them have a lot of hit singles,
Yes.
but them have a lot of albums. But you're different, brother. Whole heap of album under the belt.
Whole heap
With whole heap of hit
right,
songs.
and right now, presently, me have about 980 new songs when I release it.
You just give me a number, or you have 980
That is the number.
songs. That is the number.
Yeah.
980 songs when they release it.
Yeah, it's a Garrison record, Richie, him can tell you. You have lots of songs with me, and plus whole heap of songs just all over the place. Plus when me I produce for my own label, Tropical Music.
Tropical Music.
Then you have Garrison Entertainment, we produce a lot, and then you have 876 record with Hakeem. You know, Hakeem from 876. You understand? Me I do a album for Frankie Music, right? And whole heap of things me what them on.
Whole heap of things.
Yeah, and plus me have all jungle, me know that too, you know. Jungle music, me have a whole full jungle album when I release it, you know.
Yeah, I left no stone and third
plus
cut
me have this album when me have a come now, this new album to drop. The name of it is Diamond.
Diamond.
Yes, and it's a 100% clean. And also you have at least 2 to 3 Spanish songs on it, Spanish and English.
Collaborations, or you
Just
do
me.
Spanish? Okay, mad.
You understand? And me have the next song where we replace Dame to Cosita.
We soon talk about Dame to Cosita. Why name my next song where you plan for?
The song named Chicamala.
Chicamala. Oh yeah, you
So
did
it's
that
like
song.
a Chicamala, buébete loca, lentamente, quítate la ropa, mami. Esta noche me toca, haz lo que me provoca, chica mala, buébete loca, lentamente, quítate la ropa, mami. Esta noche petoca. As lucky me provoca. Vamos toda la noche, no, mami. Pumi hielo en mi cuerpo, no, mami. Conoce mi serpiente, no, mami. Me gusta tu posición, mami. Completa la misión, mami. You know, complete la mission mean complete the mission.
Complete the mission. Mission complete. Mad.
And the part you say, provoca mean provoke me. Chica mala, vuelvete loca. Vuelvete loca, lentamente, quítate la ropa, mami. Is bad girl go crazy for me. In English.
You lived in Panama for a while?
Yeah, I spent some time.
I spent some time down there. In and out.
Panama, my place, you know.
Yeah.
I love Panama City. And I love the Panamanian people. Costa Rica is another place where
you spend
I
some time.
fall in love with because people are some nice people and all in a place named CUTTY. Nice place.
That is where you learn most of the Spanish?
Yeah, we learn it as you go, and you know, we go Mexico City, and you know, you see, but Panama, Colombia,
Costa Rica.
Colombia nice too, you know, especially Medellin.
Medellin.
Medellin is one lovely place. But I know, play
place. I know, man.
Beautiful place. Very beautiful.
I guess I like Jamaica. It's not a play place, but a very beautiful country. Same way.
I understand, but Panama City, I'm a place. This is like a second home.
Yeah.
Just like how I love Trinidad and them places. Yeah, so I love Panama City.
Albums are what? Last the test of time. More than singles to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now some of the albums
and that is the reason why I'm coming with this new album. May I try
Diamond.
Shoot, yeah, Diamond. May I try shoot for April. You see, and try to see if I can get it out by them time. So I'm just mixing and doing what I'm doing right now. The album soon finish mix and
so
then
your voice all its tracks already?
Everything voice up already.
12 tracks, 13 tracks?
13 tracks.
13.
I don't give them too much because every track bad. I have a song on it named Blood Red with bad.
Blood Red?
Yeah, man. And one named Freedom, that bad too. And they have Blood Red now. Is blood I go run red. Slave masters I lose them head. Them can't hide under no bed. African leaders, careful when you sign. Keep on no gold mine. Don't trust no outside forces with them tactics. Don't get left behind. You can pick out every feather for them chicken and put them back on the ground. Them still pick up the crumbs and say it finger licking and along out them tongue. Yeah, you know who are the chicken.
Yeah, previous albums are Lethal Weapon. You said that of a Penthouse.
Yes.
Did From My Heart and 6 Million Ways to Die for Profile.
No. 6 Million Ways to Die album produced by me.
Philip's record are Chop It.
When we have Philip Music.
Philip Music.
Yeah. Chop Records.
Chop.
Yeah, the first record label we have and then Philip Music. But I produced the album and it put out by Priority.
Priority. Okay.
Yes, Priority we used to distribute for Death Row.
Oh, yeah?
And them did have Ice-T signed to that label. You see? Them used to distribute for Death Row Records.
In the research, we did see it as Priority, them see something as
but them never know nothing for market. Dancehall and reggae music. Them all along the thing. Brian Turner them.
Oh, yeah?
But I mean, so the thing said.
Back with a Vengeance. Jam is it that for? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I never get $1 from that album. Not even for advance or royalty.
Not even $1?
Not even $1.
Hard for It.
Hard for It produced by me. And then we EMG label, which is, you see, Mikey Bennett, them used to team up with Gary Sinclair.
Okay.
From where I used to be there, that Lime.
Oh.
Them did response in the album there. I did manage me for just
a while.
For just a minute.
Just a minute.
Understand? But we can't go in a whole part of details, but we are left with this, you know.
Reggae Anthology, released by VP 2008.
Yeah, and Reggae Anthology are some of my classic music, them VP go back what take and put out.
So it's like a compilation.
And not paying.
Them not pay.
You understand? Them is another set of thief in the business, and them can can tell them say I say so to go tell Christian. Say him $5,000 when him come for offer me and me refuse and him still go over my head and behind my back and go put out reggae anthology. Without my permission. You understand? So nobody think we don't have that under the microscope here.
Full Blast 2012.
Full Blast album produced by me. Yes,
That's some serious production, man.
Yeah, that album put out by first it put out by I think what the company Artist Only, I think and then it moved from this to Beliefs.
Oh, okay.
From out of England. I think Beliefs now merge with them buy out TuneCore.
Oh, okay, cool.
You see? Them seems like them not like PA either.
Got to be a question to ask, you know.
Yeah.
Cutty Ranks, me know, is a serious man.
Yeah.
You understand? I really play with him. How come so much man now pay Cutty Ranks?
Yeah, but the difference is them the places where you can't catch like them. Them hidden.
Them hidden.
You see, you want mistake Jack you're making a Europe. Nobody don't know why Jack you're do what him do. Because a man around put him money and wait send him.
Prison.
That no means anything Jack you were wrong for defend him thing. It's just that the only thing probably if it was me wouldn't do it that way because sometimes you can't make your ignorance overcloud your judgment.
No time still.
You understand? Yeah, but at the same time that no means
you still have to defend your thing, man.
You still have
yeah, man, you have to defend your thing still.
You
but there are ways. I mean.
So I choose not to make them draw me out to me take the cheese, because I'm not a rat. Yeah, other ways to get to them, man.
6 million ways to die, man. Choose one.
Sooner or later. And nowadays, though, them take advantage of dancehall artists and reggae artists because some of the lawyer them, all America, all them you have to watch because all them sell you out to. Jamaica you have to watch all some lawyer. Because you have lawyer don't have to rip me off, me not have to call no name. And from him see this, him we know say him. But me not say nothing to him, I think me don't know. And then you have other lawyer to try to screw me over right now. As I speak. Same place in Jamaica, but I never call no name because I watch everything I play out. See if I eat that, them take me for.
I man, I say, you are going Cutty rich and happy, and so we not have to give them.
What kind of rich and happy?
Yeah, so
them don't know how me I live. Them don't know how me I live.
Yeah.
None of them don't know how me I live.
But steps
are them can go around and speculate and say X, Y, and Z.
But they don't know.
Nobody knows. But that is typical we.
Which is true.
As Jamaican, we love make comments and all kind of speculation. Yeah, people right now teach them. When we act like them know things about you more than what you even know about yourself.
Actually, especially in our social media street, brother.
I'm not doing too much on social media.
Yeah, man.
Kind of keep me distance.
Which is true. Which is right, brother. Which is right.
Now I get caught up in a matrix. You know? I play tricks.
2013, 2 Chainz. Slum of the Ghetto.
Yeah, I mean, I use name Bigger Ranking, you also link, I set up the link there. And I use name D Beats. You see?
Yeah, and T-Rone, the pan hello.
Who?
T-Rone.
Yes.
Yeah, do some work out in the streets, got you at.
Do what we are doing, you know. But you see, some of the things them are just fame and praise and no raise.
Praise and no raise.
Yeah. So that right now, all of that cut off now.
Cut it off, man.
Yeah, angle me thing with a different
limb by limb,
man.
Cut them down.
Come with your food, nobody come to me. If no food, no, you like the paperwork have to write with generate the food and the ramp with the thing can sue you.
That makes sense.
And there's a lot of other people out there who use a lot of stuff. A lot of my stuff, you know, ask permission, them not give credit. And then when you have people now where I move to it, but some of the people when you tell them to move at a certain time, they move slow like they eat a plate of snail. So they might crawl slow, you know. Some of the lawyer them now want to put in the work. They want you go put in the work and them collect.
You can't do in job and pay, brother.
You know that me I tell you. So some of the man them are work here.
In 2018, Cutty Ranks again, shot the world with an ex-bomb. Dama Tukosita remix. And that, and let me say that, because many people think that is just a song by itself, but that song was done, and correct me if I'm wrong, 1997.
Yes.
Released 1997.
Yes.
Same Dame Tukosita.
Yes, that's the original version.
Original version. And then the 2018 version is a remix with
It's
El
a remix
Chambo.
from it. And then El Chambo where did produce the original version.
Oh, he produced the original one.
Rodney Clark, and then him go place himself on it. And try to steal it.
Hold on. So there was no conversation between you and him about him being on the track?
No.
The remix?
No. Just go place himself on it. It's like a man who sell drugs and I get high off of him own supply.
Oh yeah?
Man I get high off of him own supply, you know.
Like me never know that. Well, I learned before we learned.
Let me just tell you because you have to hear it from me.
Yeah, man.
When him put out the first track, you know, him make a bag of money off of the original, you know, and runway, you know. And through him in the Spanish country, them a France man all end up, you know. Spain and them play where you can't find him, you know. But through them do the remix now with the French company Justin Records. Where them do deal with and do the remix now, and then see say it look like it will blow out of proportion. So them
link
know
you up.
me I go see it. So they link me up and try to trick me into signing something. I'm saying, I'm not signing anything. You have back royalties, so you have to go pay that up. Plus you have to go pay me separately. Then they go like they want to play hardball, and then him try use a girl now, this pretty Spanish girl from Justin with everything, she can come with some trick. I say, I'm not depend on that, and I tell Rodney Clark, I want my money. I'm supposed to talk to me.
So things have been
signed. I say, all right. Eh?
No, I say things have been sorted out around that.
Yeah, but I say, all right, then we get somebody to deal with them on it. To be the spokesperson. Like how them are saying spokesperson to me.
Yeah.
And them I tell the person say the original version, them did pay me for it. And I tell them my people say me never get paid for it. What kind of pay? Them I say them pay me €800 for the original version. So I say okay. Go back to them and ask them how much again and tape them. And they say €800 them pay me. And I look at that go for foreign. You just come out of university, tape them. Then we bring in the lawyer. Then they tell the lawyer the same thing, so we tell the youth and the lawyer if you ask them. So all them come by euro to pay me in 1997. The euro come about 2002. You start to hear about it in the year 2000. Hold on, brother. In the year 2000, and then it come in effect 2002. Where them get it 1997 for pay me, unless them won the treasury department. Yeah, so that knock up them socks, so them have to come to reality. So them is a liar. Rodney Clark and him bunch of cronies, them are Justin Records. A liar. And I would even blame Justin Records for Rodney Clark's screw-ups. You understand? Rodney Clark is a liar. Then I go tell the Puerto Rican them about how him invent reggaeton. He don't invent no reggaeton, man. That the man they don't invent nothing more than how I don't see the tooth fairy.
So all of the business around Dama Tukosita has been sorted out?
Yeah, well, we get a lawyer and we work out contracts and papers for a certain amount of percentage. I know them still don't want to pay me a fight. Me have to fight them to get my money.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but we have contract, we don't get my money. It's just a matter of time. Them have to pay me, but we don't get paid. But one of the things with most of them people in Jamaica, every time you talk to somebody or somebody asks, oh, Dami Tukosita. And you really do it, and I say yes. He say, so you don't get the money yet. You don't get the money. Like it's fear them money.
A fear them song, right?
It's fear them song.
Yeah. I'm glad we know say things are work out around this.
Allah,
When you do the work,
Allah, you call me when the song just hit. Cut, you're rich again. You don't get the money. After time did rap me before. So it look like him want me to get rich enough to rap me again. Cause thief.
Them boy you must be paranoia. Them under a case of psychosis. The thing where me a boss will give them diagnosis. Pop it out. They talking like them under hypnosis. I and tablet when me give them for the crisis. First them get eliminated. Then them rest a friend assassinated. Who a try to run get ambushed and terminated. All when them chests are steel plated. Them get liquidated. Me gun bust till it frustrated. But no to a R-rate rated. Any boy we violated, them a go get annihilated. See a preacher with the gun in the Bible consecrated, and you feel boy you're too elevated. You think this a fun, son? Don't try with this man gun, son. Get out of here and run, son. Before your little life get done, son. Who no think this is fun, son? Get out of here and run, son. Before your little life get done, son. Your skin will get burned, son. Now make me tell you about that gun, the SKG and the big format gun. Man, I bust it up from the days of pop gun, coward gun. Man, I them walk with cock gun. If you violate, you look up in a shotgun. Don't stick around when bad man a clap gun, man. Pull up that!
Well, at least, you know, things are put in place. Fix it.
Everything is in place and in order now, man.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to hear that. And then again, I'm going to ask a question because you have mentioned quite a few things you're saying and getting the money, even whole album. How are things for Sir Philip Thomas, Cutty Ranks, republishing and royalty?
Yeah, publishing are different. We have the publishing and we have the thing them
together.
That luck. We have people who dealt with that and it's
nice. For the people out there who don't know how to find Cutty yet, because you may think everybody know how to find them, but for the people them, the promoters them, who are looking for book of Cutty Ranks, and the sound man them who can't find it yet, who are on dub plates, how them find you?
Them can contact me through IamCuttyRanks@gmail, and them also can go on the real Cutty Ranks Instagram page. Them can also contact Garrison Entertainment, you see me, at Gmail, and also them can find the number up there too.
Okay.
Which is 860-1063.
876.
Once them can, yeah.
Run it again.
860-1063.
1063.
I just ask you Virgin here, Richie.
Richie.
You see me? Which is Garrison Entertainment. And also them can find me through Akeem Music.
Okay.
876 Records.
Easy to find them, man.
So easy to find Akeem.
Yes.
You see me?
Cutty Ranks, and you mentioned it earlier, as one of the most sampled DJs, hardcore DJs in the business. Some 30 samples on just 6 million ways a day alone.
Yeah,
they get paid for them something.
Yeah, some of them. You know, but you have a few slip through the cracks and we have to go after them.
I think Jay-Z sampled something too.
Who?
Jay-Z.
All of them sample me
Swiss Beats.
All of them sample me thing. Yeah. And also Funk Flex.
Funk Flex.
Him sample me thing though. I use the thing them.
So like him no show bad.
Them no pay up.
Me said another one get drop them, get drop them, get drop, get drop them, get drop. Hear this? Me said I know you evil plan, your little cocky Babylon. Me said I know you evil plan, your little boss of Babylon. Now me say, Babylon, nobody run come. Babylon, put down your gun. Babylon, now me make me have fun. Babylon. Me said I know you evil plan, you miss a cocky Babylon. Me said I know you evil plan, you miss a boss of Babylon. Me said I notice them a go like them a rough scout. One come take with gold spoon from out of we mouth. Walk and tell them friend about them big all about. Me tall and slim, me no short, me no stout. Check the cultural lyrics a come from me mouth. A boy try a thing a going to knock that out. The born as a shoulder, never born as the scout. No matter where them try, them cannot get way out. And me say, Babylon, nobody run come. Babylon, put down your gun. Bobby, Bobby, love me, make me have fun. Bobby, Bobby, Babylon. Me said, I know you evil plan. You miss a cocky Babylon. Pull up.
Business-wise, most things in place and one sort out yet. Steps are being taken to fix that.
Yes.
The legacy is the legacy, man. Fix it.
Yeah, man.
When a man work, if you
everything
get paid, brother.
Man, and there's a lot of them use a lot of stuff with I and I. Even in a Latin market, you know, you have people who use me thing and still not pay. I'll know, so we just have to go after them. The same thing with VP Records.
Yeah.
Continue Christian them, continue to use me thing them and I make money and not pay. You understand? Them is another set. So we don't already know what we know.
Yeah.
And I say nothing to them and just did it.
I watch it.
Yeah, man.
There's something I need to say, Cutty. As a teacher by profession, you see?
Yeah.
And for no so the man schooling it kind of shaky. That is the word, see. Shaky.
Yeah.
The man has done exceptionally well, man.
Yeah,
I respect that
I'm not
brother,
stupid,
man.
because after a while, you know, I school myself, tutoring and then thing and get me thing on a different level.
I respect that.
Yes,
I respect that.
And plus there is a lot of other things where people don't know. And sometimes when you write and know, you don't make your left hand know. Make them picture it the way how they want to picture it.
Agree.
You see? When they don't know, though.
True. I respect that, man. I respect that.
Camouflage, you know?
Camouflage.
And I say nothing to them.
Yeah. You have a son who is also doing music?
Yeah, the J Vibrant, him there out of St. Thomas, born in England.
Okay.
Yeah. And he might come up in
He
that,
might come
but
up.
he might finish school.
Okay. Makes sense.
I like that.
Yeah, that,
Smart,
the right way that.
Yeah, man.
The right
Smart
way
youth,
that.
man. He might do what he might do. You see me?
Cutty, you have excelled in the rubber dub stage of the music, stage show stage of the music, recording stage of the music, locally, internationally, and in some market where some man only hear about. You have been gaining tremendous success over the years. When you assess the musical journey, what is that thing when you look upon it? It gives you a great sense of accomplishment, a great sense of joy. If you know, say, yo, a youth where they just sleep in a market and sleep in some van and live on the streets, reach us.
Me have all of the belt them apart from the Grammy. Everything else me have. The latest award when I get a BMI.
BMI.
The biggest publishing company that in the world different from Scam.
Yeah.
I may never tell nobody. I don't tell no media personally either. Because we are the first. I know say me have that hang up on my yard. Because we have a tendency, even when Dammy took us eat a hit. A lot of them, well, at least we can give Anthony Miller in props. Him come do what I do and interview I and I. They say, you have people from Ira FM interview I and I. You have a couple of other stations like Fame, but the only part of the station where I know them not say nothing.
Them not say nothing.
And me nobody say nothing to them. Because one thing with me, I don't run behind no one. I mean, I beg you to come interview me. You understand? So, I just humble and just go and do what I do. I do me. And just have to keep pushing and keep dealing with the music. I don't business about one interview or who no interview. They have to do what they do and do them. They must have their reason why they do what they do.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Me don't have nothing much else to say. I never give a man nothing to put up. You understand? So they go do what they do. And then keep doing what they do and me go do what I do. One thing I know for sure though, them can't stop what's coming. So it don't make sense them even think about it. Because one thing with me, it's a pressure and fight that people give. I use that to empower myself.
That billion man.
You understand? I'm always open for criticism. I don't mind if somebody criticize me. Because you have some most of the difference between me and enough of them like a young artist where I come up. You see some of your young artists them come like them just them mother grow them. Them not no father figure in their life. So as soon as you say anything, both them are say
then get
one little word,
man.
them get emotional and start going at their feelings.
True.
The only people that were going at their feelings is women. And at the end of the day, when a woman gets in her feelings, it is understandable because that is a woman. She's supposed
Naturally
to.
more emotional than men.
Yeah.
Should be.
She's supposed to. Some man are going to get into them feelings like them are some girl or something.
Alright,
So I understand what happened to them.
Yeah, well.
Man, them come like them and lose it there. Me personally, if somebody criticize me and say X, Y, I go look for when I think me I do wrong, I go back to the drawing board. Or if me know say foolishness, you talk like, oh, that man they go call up my name and tell lie.
Yeah.
Then, this is not about just getting on my feelings, it's about
You have to correct that one
correct that one and rub
yeah,
it back
man.
in his face. Make him understand what time it is.
Musically speaking, and as I said, we talk about a lot of the places that you have excelled. Musically speaking, what the man hope for add to the legacy as him continue the musical journey when I'm not there.
Well, this album will come and go add to the legacy. Because this album have a lot of message on it. Powerful message, clean, and almost every song on it can be a single.
Looking at your journey, Cutty, is there anything on your meds here as a Jano star? I shouldn't do that differently. Or I shouldn't do that. Are you have any regrets, musically speaking?
Really get a firm hand on that. Nobody is perfect. Mistakes have been made here and there. But you feel like, but then again you learn from that mistake.
It's true. Well,
So probably I don't regret it because it only empower me and make me into something more special.
And you hold a lesson there.
You understand? Because of that stupidity turned me into this.
Cutty, the bomber,
Yeah,
the
man.
stopper,
Yeah.
the legend.
Yeah, man. And big up my friend, my brethren,
thanks,
Porter. My security, the man on the left my
man,
foot here.
Bad
Yeah,
thing.
man. And big up yourself, Richie.
Big
Yeah,
thanks.
man. Garrison record for life. 876.
Original rude boy style. Original bad boy style. Original rude boy style. Original bad boy style. Dibby dibby DJ, them know me a dead, them know me a dead. Enough of them a worry, enough of them a worry, some of them a fret. Some of them a fret, me have the stopper. Every DJ better talk to me proper. Come and dance all, they go kill them with the culture. This a Cutty Rank, them on the microphone center. Ram dance all, every creases to corner. This a Cutty Rank, you know me born as a warrior. Anyway me go a straight roots and culture. No DJ can break down this a barrier. Follow me no massive and proof. And your ear Cutty Rank in a boom. From your ear Cutty Rank in a boom, 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 boom. From your ear Cutty Rank in a boom. Tell you from your ear Cutty Rank in a boom. Me ragamuffin a me international. To brush a DJ me do partial. Right now German me have the credential. When me come a dance hall, me well official. Me got the stopper, stopper. Every DJ come talk to me proper. Pay down pan it used to come from Shabba. One world of gun used to come from the Ninja Admiral. Bailey Imba, what be a work and what be a can't trick me. Full up of stamina. Anyway me come me a go break down the barrier. Listen cut him. Pull up there.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.